Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps Intellectual Kshatriyas channel, Education channel. Mitrom, we are continuing our fascinating series on RayalaSeema, Ceded districts of Andhra Pradesh or Seemandhra Pradesh. We are talking about physiographic regions, geographic regions, microgeography or mini geography. Previously, this is the part 37, ErraMala mountain ranges part 4. In the previous part, maybe 34 or so, we talked about a broader understanding of the ErraMala mountain ranges overlooking the Nandyal Valley, that is on the west side of Nallamala Mountains and ErraMala Mountains, which are essentially Turpu Kanamalu, Eastern Ghats compared to Western Ghats, that is Sahyadri Mountains. We descend 5 parts of ErraMala Mountains. These are just arbitrarily based upon the important geographical points to make the audience more aware of this fascinating region. If you reside in Ceded districts, Rayalaseema districts, Bellary districts, or Telugu states, you will enjoy more and understand more. If you are outside of this region, I have made a broader 23 regions of Rayalaseema that will meet any of your requirements to know about this great fascinating land of ruled by Vijayanagara emperors. At that point, we have UC 23 geographic regions. I talked briefly about the ErraMala mountains. You can go and look at it. And Mitram and Bandhu, and if you are new to my education channel, this is the education channel. I have posted more than 464 or so presentations as of 2023 November. You can go and look at them and explore and enjoy them. You can learn them with pleasure. So this is South Asia Maps J Ready. And coming back, and what are we talking about today? I will give you a broader perspective for the audience. This is the historic in the Madras Presidency of British India. This region is Ceded division or Ceded districts division or Rayalaseema division. This is the Madras city, Chennapatnam. This is the Pulicat Lake. These 5 districts are historic Rayalaseema: Bellary district, Kurnool district, Anantapur district, Kadapa district, Chittoor district. Some overlapping regions of Chengalpattu and Arcot region, especially North Arcot and Baramahal, that is the Salem region. This is the Vadayar's territory, Mahishuru. This is His Exalted Highness Nizam's territory, Asafia territory, princely state of Hyderabad. And I will give you the same in a different perspective. This is the geographic, physiographic map of these shutters or so, that organization. And this is the Godavari River, this is the Krishna River. This is the Pulicat Lake, that is the rocket launching center. Sriharikota will be here. Nellore Payangat region, the Velikonda Mountains, the Patttikonda Mountains. Sorry, Nallamalas. This is the Velikonda, this is the Patttikonda, this is the Nallamalas, the highest mountain ranges in this region. Some peaks can go to 1100 or so by Ravani Gutta and so on, but an average 1000 meters. Whereas the Nandyal Valley or Kundu Valley, Kundu River Valley, that drains or discharges into Penna River eventually, is around about 200 meters. So this is around about 900, 800 meters elevation. This ErraMala mountains, an average around about 400 meters. Peaks can go to 550 or so. In that sense, they are not that rugged, but they're still mountain ranges when compared to Nandyal Valley, 222 meters here, Nandyal town in southern part, 175 meters. So in that sense, these are the part we are talking about. 5 parts we discussed. and this is the RayalaSeema upland region. This is the plateau region of that uplands. This is the peneplain region of the uplands. This is the Kadapa Basin. This is the part we are talking about. Essentially, that forms a broader the dividing range. This is the KOLIMIGUNDLA branch and a Kalamalla branch based upon the towns there. So this is the bifurcates the Kadapa Basin or Penna River Basin from the Kundu River Basin in a broader sense. So that's what we are talking today, Mitrom, and I will give you a different perspective. This is the one Nallamala range. You can see the Nandyal Valley, the Tungabhadra River, Handre River, Krishna River, Gadwal, interflow the Doab region, Raichur Doab region, Kadapa Basin. This is the part we are talking today. RayalaSeema Plateau region, the Patttikonda ranges is here. This is the part, and if you are new to you are aware that RayalaSeema series part B, we have, this is the part I'm covering today. This is the KOLIMIGUNDLA branch. This is the part 37. All these 6 series are devoted to ErraMala ranges, and I want this will be a focal single point where the audience, RayalaSeema people, Telugu state people can come here and explore, understand these fascinating mountain ranges of Ceded districts of RayalaSeema. Other previous presentations on the RayalaSeema, we covered almost 29. They're already uploaded. You can go and look at them. The RayalaSeema, ruled by once the great emperor Rajarshi Krishnadevaraya, who passed away for 1530. That is 35 years before the nerve-wracking battle of Talikota, Rakasgi Tangadgi on Don River in the Carnatic Maidan, the Bayalusima region. So this is the ErraMala mountain range, KOLIMIGUNDLA branch. So that's the different one. Yeah, we will expand this. So previously we looked at the 5 parts ErraMala. This is the part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the 5 parts of ErraMala. The Patttikonda branch, Betamcherla, that is, we have taken the road line between the Kurnool to Guti as the dividing point. West of it Patttikonda, east of that is the Betamcherla branch number 2. That's the heartland. When you say RayalaSeema ErraMala regions, you have to always remember Betamcherla railway station as well as the Dhon railway station junctions. That's the heartland. And detached somewhat branch, less subdued, not that elevated. We looked at Belum branch or Auk branch. Now we are looking about the KOLIMIGUNDLA branch, number 4. You can see this number 4, KOLIMIGUNDLA branch. That almost forms a border between Nandyal Valley North and south, Penakini Valley, Penna River Valley, or Kadapa Basin. That is the part we are talking today. This just briefly what it is. From KOLIMIGUNDLA to Kalamalla. We'll see what they are exactly. This is the, I think 12 is KOLIMIGUNDLA and 16 is Kalamalla. Yeah, 16 is Kalamalla, 12 is KOLIMIGUNDLA. That the branch that means it gets out from the Betamcherla branch essentially. That is the core region. So north of this, what are the important towns? South of it, what are the important towns? And central, what are the towns we are talking about? This is the branch. Northern part, we can see the KOLIMIGUNDLA, Nandipadu village, and the Perusomala village, Badirala village, Talamanchapatnam, and Domar Nandyala, Jammalamadugu. All this we'll see in the real map. And the central part is the Chitravati river and Penna river cut here. This is the Chitravati river, Penna river cuts this branch at the far eastern side. That is the Chitravati river guard. That is the Gandikota historical fort, major fort ruled by Pemasani Nayaks, which are the tributaries of Vijayanagara emperors, and the Mailavaram Dam, and that is the Gandikota projects. On south is the Tadipatri town and Talaprodutur, Muddanur, and Chilamkur, and railway station that is the Erraguntla. That is the part we are talking about today, and we can go and look at them. And this is the part. This is the part. This is the part we are talking about. The Kalamalla here, Kalamalla branch, and Kalamalla two, Kalamalla, Kalamalla. You see the Kalamalla here, KOLIMIGUNDLA here. This is the branch. This is the Chitravati river. This is the Penna river. This is the two dams. This is the Mailavaram dam, and this is the Jamalamadugu near that is the Gandikota part. The northern part you can see KOLIMIGUNDLA, Perusomala, Jamalamadugu, and so on. So the northern part goes to, and the southern part goes, there's the railway line and goes to Erraguntla and Muddanuru until Tadipatri. So this is the part we are talking about. You can see southern part is the British India time. Madras Railway Company built this railway line. You can see why this railway line has aligned in this way. That's the reason, because we have a major branches of ErraMalas, and it skitted this and went in the southern part. You see, this is the southern part. This is the Erraguntla, Muddanuru, and this is the Kondapuram. This is the Tadipatri, goes to Gutti, and after that it ascends into RayalaSeema upland. This is the Guntaka. So this is the part we are talking. Northern part of this is the KOLIMIGUNDLA town will be here, and Nandipadu and all those places, Jamalamadugu. This is the part. The interesting part is the river Chitravari cuts here and joins in river Penna in just south of this Gandikota fort and Ghats. Ghats is like a narrow area between the mountains. In this part, the river flows. That is the Penna river flows. That one. You can see a different perspective here. And what is the height? You can see the Kalamalla railway station will be somewhere here. That is 174. And Tadipatri in the southern part will be 253, and you can see some of the places here around about 264, and you can see 414 or so. If you go to KOLIMIGUNDLA in this area, 465. That means if you take this as Erraguntla as the extreme basin, 162, you can see round about here KOLIMIGUNDLA town in this part, round about how the KOLIMIGUNDLA 500. You can see the difference nearly 300 meters or so. Considering that region, that is considered to be a very good elevation from 200 meters to 500 meters or so, something like that. So you can see different perspectives there. And so this is the branch we are talking about. Nosam branch we talked before, and that's the branch Jamal Madugu. And you can see this again. Tadipatri, Prudduturu, Erragunta. This is the branch we are talking about. KOLIMIGUNDLA we'll see in the other place here somewhere there, and you can see this is the branch. That is the fourth part. You can see this is the branch. This is the Tadipatri. This is the Nandyal Valley. You can see fascinating Kadapa Basin or Penakini Basin or Penna Basin. You can see Chitravati River. This is the river. Chitravati River. Sorry for that. Chitravati River, Penna River. You can see Chitravati River, Penna River. Your dams. This is the Penakini River, and you can see the Tadipatri again, different perspective. So I will show you the KOLIMIGUNDLA so that I don't want, KOLIMIGUNDLA. Here it is shown. The KOLIMIGUNDLA, the famous Belum caves are near KOLIMIGUNDLA. That is one of the magnificent geological wonders of Andhra Pradesh, the Belum caves. They're just close to maybe 5-10 kilometers from the KOLIMIGUNDLA. You can see the cave structures. That is the thousands of visitors come here. So that is the part of ErraMalas in the RayalaSeema. We'll see a different perspective here, and you can see this perspective here, the different perspective. You can see here Kalamalla town will be somewhere here, the railway station, and you can see this continues and this continues. You can see KOLIMIGUNDLA. This is the fourth branch. This is the heartland, that is the main, the core of ErraMalas. Again, you can see here, here we are talking about, this is the Srisailam Dam. This the Kurnool town will be here. This is the Hampi, historic ruins of Vijayanagara emperors, Ballari district, Sandur hills. This is the Nandyal valley. This is the ErraMalas. So this is because we are talking about Kadapa town to Tadipatri. North of it, this is the KOLIMIGUNDLA branch. That's what we are talking about. Our landmarks are, this is the Chitravati river. This is the Penna river. This is the Penna river. Tadipatri is here. This is the Penna. The Pamidi town will be here, railway station. This is the railway station. This is the Erraguntla junction. You can see this is the KOLIMIGUNDLA branch. This is the Tadipatri. Tadipatri to Auk, we go through a KOLIMIGUNDLA town somewhere here. This is the Auk reservoir. Again, you can see this is the Jureru valley, that is the Pasupula valley, Garla Dinne valley, overlooking the Banganpalli princely state. Shia princely state was merged with the Dominion of India in 1948 by the Pathan Nawab who ruled that area. Banganpalli, this is the part we are talking about. Railway line alignment, Papagni river here, Chitravati river here, Gandi Ghats, there is a Gandikota dam, this is the Jamal Madu Mailavaram dam, this is the Chitravati river joins in this one. That's the unique feature, and also dividing line between the Nandyal valley in the north, Kadapa Basin, Penakini Basin, Penna River Basin. We are looking at the same thing here. So this part is cut by the railway line. The Kadapa, Kamalapuram, Erraguntla, Muddanuru, Kondapuram, Tadipatri, Gutti, this the Guntakal. The Bombay, Salsette Island, Bombay to Madras, Channapatnam and Gangasagar. Gangasagar to Sindhusagar, connecting the railway line, was built by Greater India Peninsular Railway Company from Bombay side and Madras Railway Company from this side, MRC. They joined together at Raichur. That was actually in the Nizam's territory at that time, at this place, Raichur Doab. So that is about the fascinating ErraMala mountain range. Today we discuss about the fourth part to KOLIMIGUNDLA branch. Thank you very much, Mitravan Bandhu. Hope this will give you very good perspective. If you like these presentations, and you can subscribe this channel as well as bring it to the notice of your friends. And I'll be really appreciate you take some time and put your comments or any things you would like to hear from this channel. See you later in other presentations.